So another 1 minute riff today, guys. Bon Jovi, Living on a Prayer. We've got... So this riff could be broken down into 2 sections, with each section containing 4 notes each. So the first 4 notes, you're going to have an open E, fret 7 on the A, fret 7 on the E, fret 5 on the A. Use alternate picking, so down ups. One more time. The next 4 notes, you're going to play the open E 2 times, fret 7 on the E, fret 5 on the A. Alternate picking again. One more time. So the first 4 notes, second 4 notes. So let's put all that together. A bit slower.